My video tutorial is now dedicated to help you remove the adware called SkillsRefer. SkillsRefer is the adware that attacks many Mac computers these days. SkillsRefer adware, once installed, may display the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements while you browse the web. SkillsRefer adware may also show the huge portion of intrusive advertisements while you browse the internet, and it may redirect users to many dangerous resources in the internet. Therefore, if this SkillsRefer was somehow found on your computer, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of this adware. So check your applications, find this adware and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research your device with Combo Cleaner, which can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start investigating your device with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.